Welcome to Mswipe. This is Pooja here. Today I am going to give you a demonstration of Wisepad G2 Plus. It is also one of our best-selling products. This is Wisepad G2 Plus. It is similar to Wisepad G2 in functionality but has an inbuilt charge slip printer.
Open Google Play Store. Search for Mswipe Merchant app on the search bar. Install the application. Accept. Open the application. Every merchant who buys Mswipe terminal is provided with user ID and password. Enter the user ID and password. Read the terms and condition and scroll down and press the enter checkbox. Press 1 to select device mode. Now go to Bluetooth settings on the smartphone and pair G2 Plus. WP-G2, it's a serial number which will be displayed on your handset. Accept on both the device as well as the terminal. Once the Bluetooth is paired, go on card sale, enter the amount. Enter cardholder's 10-digit mobile number. More details, enter the email ID, invoice number and additional notes if required. Tap Next. Once connected by Bluetooth, you will see Swipe Insert displayed. Insert or swipe the card. After entering the PIN, the transaction status will be shown as approved. A charge slip will be emailed or a text message will go to the cardholder and to the Mswipe merchant. The transaction is now complete.
Let's say by mistake a wrong amount is being entered and the merchant wants to cancel or void the transaction. I am now going to show you how to void or cancel the transaction.
In the Mswipe Merchant app, you will see series of options in which you will find void transaction, enter the amount and last 4 digits of the card number and tap Next. Enter the OTP which will be sent to the merchant's registered mobile number and tap Next. Your void transaction is complete and it will show as approved. Press on power button to go on menu screen. Press 1 for mode and press enter to change the mode to standalone, that is GPRS mode. Press 1, that is sales. Enter the amount. Press enter. Input phone number of your cardholder and press enter. Swipe or insert the card. Now enter the PIN number and press enter. Your transaction is now getting processed. Once transaction is approved, a merchant copy will automatically get generated. This is the merchant's copy. You may take out your card. A screen will show prompting for customer receipt. Press enter. This is your customer's receipt. Select red cross button, press power button and press 2 for void transaction. Enter the amount with last 4 digits of the card number and press enter. Once processed, your void transaction is approved. Open the Mswipe Merchant app, tap on Menu, Update option, tap on Wi-Fi setting update. Now enter the Wi-Fi name and password and press on enter. Wi-Fi name is now being updated. To change the mode to Wi-Fi, press on enter. Press 1 for sales, enter the amount and press enter. Enter cardholder's mobile number. Press enter and swipe or insert the card. Input PIN number. Press enter. Until it's processed, the transaction will show approved and a charge slip will be printed. Select the red cross button, press 2 for void transaction, enter the amount and press enter. Enter the last 4 digits of card number, press enter. Once processed, your void transaction is now approved.